Hello friends, my kitchen lovers, you're welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'll be making oven baked fish roll with spelt flour. Okay, so this is my mackerel fish, properly washed. I'll just cut that up and put it into my pot, add my salt, seasoning cube, thyme and garlic powder, and I'm just going to add my water and boil this fish. So while that is boiling, I'm just going to grab my bowl and then add my flour. So this is spelt flour. If you look closely, you can see it's whole. Yes, whole spelt flour. So I'll just add my baking powder, cinnamon powder and salt. So I'm just going to mix this to combine, and then I'll be adding milk. Yes, to increase the protein level. So I added milk powder to this, and I'll just mix that to combine, and then I'm just going to set that aside. So this is our fish. It's properly cooked now, so I'm just going to debone that off camera or behind the camera. So this is my flour. I added butter and then just mix with my hands, yeah, to get a nice crumb, and then I added cold water gradually till I form a dough. So this is my dough. I'm just going to keep this in the fridge to rest. Then this is my fish already deboned, so I'm just going to use my hand, yeah, to just mash that. I don't need a fork for that. You can use fork, yeah, if you want. So I'm just going to go ahead to make the filling for the fish roll. So I added little oil to the pan, and then I'm just going to saute my onion, and then after that I just went ahead to add my fish, and then I'll be frying this for some minutes, and then I'll add my seasoning cube. Then I'll add curry powder. I didn't add salt anymore. I didn't think it was necessary. I added thyme also, and then I added my Scotch bonnet and my shredded carrots. So I'll just fry this, and our filling is ready. Like, it's so simple. Even a 2-year-old can do this, right? You don't need a special skill to do this. Okay, don't mind me, I was just joking. So now I'll just proceed to cut out my dough, roll it out, and I'll just add my filling. So for the filling, I was very generous with it, because why not? I'm not buying it on the streets, I'm making it at home. That's why it's homemade. So when you're doing yours, add enough fish, so when you eat one, it's very filling. So I just rolled that up. I didn't use egg to seal it. It just sealed on its own, and then I'll just transfer it to my baking tray. So I use baking mat. You can also use parchment paper to line your tray. So with my pizza cutter, I'll just cut diagonal lines just to make this beautiful, and then I'll egg wash and then transfer to my preheated oven and bake this. So the reason why I use spelt flour is because I ran out of flour, yes, and spelt flour was what I had at home, so why not? I was craving, so I had to use. So friends, share your thoughts. What do you think about this recipe? Will you recreate this recipe? Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you.